Welcome to a brand new episode of The Menu. Actually, this is not just a brand new episode of The Menu. This is going to be the season finale of season 2 of The Menu. So that's it. This will actually be 20 episodes of The Menu going all the way back to 2015. I'm very excited. I'm very blessed. I can't explain to you all how happy I am to get 20 episodes. Because if you follow me on social media, I've kind of documented my experiences that when I started out doing the YouTube channel, I wasn't sure like how long it was going to be, how many episodes, if it would be here, if it would be there. Like, I wasn't 100% sure if I would keep doing it, but 111 subscribers later, 3 years later, 20 episodes into the menu, and almost 100 total videos on the YouTube channel, we have made it to this point. And I couldn't have done it without you all watching and liking and sharing and commenting and just showing me how much you've been enjoying the videos as much as I have enjoyed making them. So thank you so much for the bottom of my heart. I won't be standing here too long so we can get into this episode, which I'm also excited about. Because I've never made strawberry shortcake, but I found a pretty simple recipe I'm going to be using. So I'm excited to get to that. So thank you all again so much for being on this journey with me, not just with the menu, but with side dish, with the insight, with all my playthroughs, with my quick looks, and everything that's going to be happening on the channel. And just like last year for the season finale of season 1 of the menu, so the menu will be going on a hiatus, just like last year. So we're in the beginning of April. So season 3 of the menu probably won't start back until about July, August, September, probably more of the August, September range, just so I can kind of focus on some other things on the channel and get season 3 prepared for you guys. But don't worry, just because the menu's going away, you can always check out the entirety of the series right here on DigitalChefENT. But also, just like in life, when you have a void, something will fill that void. So I have some other things working in the meantime. In the Insight is up and running. I was kind of behind a couple episodes, but that's going to be full steam ahead. You're going to get a bunch of those recently. I started my Yakuza Kiwami playthrough, so if you've been enjoying that, that will keep going. I still have Bound for Glory. I couldn't think of the name for a second, but Bound for Glory, which is going to be just me commentating on some of my ranked games for Brawlhalla. That's still on the docket. I just have to edit that and cut that up, and that'll be ready to go. Also, one of the prizes I'm really excited for is SDGW, which is Slice and Dice and Game and Wrestling, which will be my take on a wrestling promotion and a wrestling show. So I will be doing color commentary as AKA Scooter McCoy. So that's my alias. That's my commentating alias. So that'll be dropping in a couple weeks. I'm really excited about that. That's almost done. That's about 90% done. I just have to edit one more part and then do all the voiceover work for it. And then that'll be ready to go, hopefully by the end of April. And I also want to start a new cooking show, or it's not really a cooking show. Oh yeah, it's still a cooking show. So it's going to be called The Lab, which would be just kind of my test kitchen show, which would just be me just trying out different ingredients, different seasonings, doing things a little bit different than I normally do. Because the menu is pretty straightforward. It has a very formal presentation. Side just has a very formal presentation. But I want this to be a little more laid back. There'll probably be like music in the background playing slowly. It'll be kind of more of a culinary podcast, if you will. Where I'll just take an idea and just kind of throw it out there, just what I'm thinking. And then it'll be more for you guys to more than welcome to comment and tell me what you guys think about that, or what you guys would do differently, or how you guys might season something, or cook something, or cut something, or saute it, or however you might approach what I'm doing. It'll be a little bit more open to that, because just kind of get more commentating, or just get more comments and commentating, and just kind of like let the community talk a little more, like what you guys think, how you guys would approach this. So I'm really excited about that. Hopefully that'll be in the next couple of weeks as well. But thank you again for, just the journey and following me and helping me along this journey, because I can't do this journey by myself. Like I've said before, I can't watch my own videos. I can, but only to a certain extent. But you guys make the videos what they are. You guys give them life. You guys give them their YouTube rate and their searchability, all those things. So I can't do that without you all. So thank you so much for watching the last 19 episodes of the menu, and we're going to get into episode 20, the season finale of season 2. So just like always, sit back, relax. Let's check out the season 2 finale of the menu. Alright, so let's get into making our dough for our strawberry shortcake. So this recipe is actually really simple. It's actually from Bisquick, so shout out to Bisquick. It was funny because I found the recipe on All Recipes. I'm like, oh, okay, cool. So I went to the store looking for the Bisquick batter, and I thought it was Bisquick biscuit mix or something like that. I just misread it, but it's just Bisquick's pancake and baking mix, and actually on the side of the box it says how to make strawberry shortcake. So I'm like, oh, I found the right thing. So so first what you're actually going to do is you're going to slice up some strawberries, mix them with a 1/4 cup of sugar in a small mixing bowl, and put them off to the side. I've already done that, so mine are just in the refrigerator cooling, and we'll get to those towards the end of the strawberry shortcake. So after you've done that, now we're going to make our batter. So you have 2 1/3 cups of the Bisquick baking mix in a mixing bowl. You add 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and then I'm just going to add a couple of other ingredients that I like. So I'm actually going to add a capful of butter extract, and a capful of vanilla extract. I had to make sure it was vanilla, it wasn't pineapple, because that would be a problem. Or maybe not. Maybe pineapple strawberry shortcakes could be a thing. And then we're just going to mix this together. Alright, so we have our batter all mixed together, as you can see. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take tablespoonfuls of the batter, we're going to put it on a non-greased cooking sheet. I'm just going to spread it out. Just hold the pan a little bit so I don't. I didn't get one more. The recipe says you can make 6. I think I can get about 6 out of this. There we go. So then, well, the recipe says preheat your oven. The recipe says preheat your oven to 450 degrees, but our oven's never up that damn high. So we're probably going to preheat the oven to about 375, 380, and then let them go to a nice golden brown. And then I'll do my presentation, and then we'll finish the video. Alright guys, we're going to get to the plate. Since you guys asked me to do plating for the last episode of the menu, I figured I would keep that going, and I would actually do a little plating segment for this one as well. So you see I had my dessert plate. And so I have my finished shortcake. So I'm just going to take one right there. I actually already cut it in half, as you can tell. Not the best cut in the world, but yeah. So put it like that. And so what I'm thinking is putting strawberries at the bottom, whipped cream, strawberries at the top. I'll take my strawberries that we put the sugar on before we made the batter. This is the strawberry mixture that you'll have. And the shortcake is going to break and crumble anyway, so don't worry about it if it's not perfect. I think the more irregular, the better. I'm going to take some whipped cream. Take a few more strawberries to put on top. And then kind of smash it like that. Let's turn it so like that. And then of course you're going to kind of clean up the plate a little bit. Then take another strawberry. Take one of my bigger ones that I had and drop it right there. And then of course, top it off with a little powdered sugar. There we go. I think it looks good. Not too bad for my first strawberry shortcake. So here is my finished homemade strawberry shortcake. Thank you for checking out this new episode of the menu. Thank you for checking out the entirety of season 2 of the menu. Thank you for watching the menu all the way from 2015 until now. I greatly appreciate it. This is now 20 episodes in the book. I'm so excited. I'm very blessed. I can't tell you how blessed I am just for you guys to watch videos and enjoy them and give me your feedback and sharing and tell me what you like, what you don't like, what I should do, what I should add. All that stuff, I greatly appreciate it. You just don't know how much it means and how much just that little bit of encouragement. That little bit of encouragement goes a long way into the YouTube channel and just me growing as a chef personally. So thank you all again from the bottom of my heart. This will be the conclusion of season 2. I'll be back at the end of the year to kick off season 3. Always, forever, slicing, dicing, gaming. It's not just a motto, it's a lifestyle. Thank you so much again from the bottom of my heart. I'll see you all in the next video. Later.